Hello, this is the other guy, and welcome to 001 Game Creator tutorial over creating or allowing the player to input their name. Um, this tutorial will be showing you how to... actually, let's show the end result and then go through how we do it. So first things first, let's type in our name. We are the other guy, and that is correct, yes. We go in here, and now our display name, right here, is the other guy. That's not all it does, but that's the majority of it. So, first off, we create an actor that we can talk to. And we set up a advanced message box and allow the player to enter their name. So first off, whatever you want, please enter your name is a pretty good message for me, so we'll put that. And allow input needs to be set to yes, and I just put name here due to the fact of if you leave it blank, some people won't notice. And you want the player to notice so they can actually properly input their name. Next, I went ahead and created a variable called player name, and it's set to 0 right now. And what this does is it goes and puts in the last message box input. So if we go to last as our values and go to last input text, it will allow us to use that option. You could just type this in normally if you go to value, but this is what you're looking for. And then we go ahead and go to this, and we have variable player name. Is that correct? Yes or no. And to show you how that works, we go over here, click on this little node, and we go to global variables, player name. And that brings that right there. You can do that to any variable, any of them you make. You can, I think, do it to, no, you can't do it to switches. You might be able to, I don't know. I'm sure there's some way to make them visible in message boxes. Anyway, and if we choose no, it goes ahead and loops back up to here and allows the player to re-put in their name. If we choose yes, it changes the display name. And you're like, well, if we can just change the display name like that, why do we bother, putting in the variable? We could just use, last message for this. The thing is, one, so we can check it against other values and allow the player to actually go and change it if need be, and we can go ahead and use that variable in other occasions, like this, where we call upon it. And I guess we could technically do that with display names too, but that's beside the point. While I'm here, I'm also going to show that same kind of way. So we check that variable against a value. So the other guy, we could do whatever we want. Let's put Tom, not all caps, Tom. So let's say if the player named their character Tom or something, or you know what? Secret. So let's say we want to have it where the player can type in their name and have a secret activate, basically, based on putting in a specific input. So if it's secret, it will go ahead and do the correct value. If not, it will do the other one. So let's go back to the game. And we're going to type in our name as secret. Yes. And then we're going to go to this person. And this person says this is the message for the correct value. We can also go back and type in our name as name and talk, and he will say this is the other message because that's the other branch. I hope this is pretty sufficient for player name inputs. I honestly don't know how you do it without using the keyboard though, for like an on-screen one, so that's an entirely other thing. This should be pretty basic though for now. If you have any questions or any other suggestions for tutorials for me to do, let me know in the comments. And until next time, this has been the other guy. Subscribe if you want to. If not, bye.